Animals, Birds, and Dr. Dolittle. The story of Dr. Dolittle. Meet Dr. Dolittle, a kind-hearted doctor who loves animals. The cat's food man visit. The man visits Dr. Dolittle with a stomach ache and suggests him to become an animal doctor. Polynesia's advice. Polynesia, the parrot, advises Dr. Dolittle to become an animal doctor and learn animals' languages. The secret language of animals. Polynesia teaches Dr. Dolittle that animals have their own languages and can communicate with each other. Learning the language. Dr. Dolittle learns the animal's language with Polynesia's help and becomes skilled at understanding and communicating with all animals. Dr. Dolittle's new career. Dr. Dolittle's love for animals and his ability to learn their language lead him to a new and fulfilling career as an animal doctor. The plow horse's story. A plow horse visits Dr. Dolittle, having problems in his vision and needed spectacles. Treatment by Dr. Dolittle. Dr. Dolittle treats him and makes green glasses for the horse, improving his vision. Delighted horse. Getting spectacles. Delighted horse publicized Dr. Dolittle's understanding about animals. A busy animal doctor. Animals flock from far and wide, come to visit him, who can understand and help them. Special doors for different animals. Dr. Dolittle creates special doors for different animals, making it easier for them to visit him. Dr. Dolittle's fame. Dr. Dolittle becomes famous among animals all over the world, thanks to his kindness and understanding. A happy and fulfilling life. Dr. Dolittle is happy and fulfilled in his career as an animal doctor, loved by animals from far and wide. He felt gratitude of Polynesia, who encouraged and supported him to become an animal doctor. She also made him learn their languages.